Thank you for your interest in AC Quoter. With AC Quoter, we deliver to you a ready-to-use HVAC replacement proposal tool needing less than an hour of training and will never require lengthy setups or maintenance from your end as with other programs. AC Quoter was designed to create professional air conditioning quotes in a matter of minutes without leaving the job site. In addition to creating professional proposals, typical AC Quoter program members see an increase in closing and higher margins. As an AC Quoter member, you will also be given the first opportunity to hear about future time and cost-saving modules as they are built. Our program requires no lengthy contracts, and if you're not satisfied, you may cancel at any time. If you are giving your customers handwritten quotes, then AC Quoter is for you. Before we get into the program, here's an example of a custom setup for a company. All of your offered match systems and add-ons are combined in a selectable format for any level of sales experience to quickly and accurately quote your customer. We do this by taking your pricing and adding your margins and markups, as well as any utility or manufacturer rebates and/or other promotions. Additionally, the customer financing options you offer are loaded into the system and are clearly displayed on the proposal. No more forgetting to add a system's component pricing. No more trying to work out your margin on the back of a sheet or on a calculator in your head. AC Quoter will take care of all of this for you so you can focus on what's important, closing the sale to your customer. Here's a quick overview of what the program looks like. First, your customer's information is entered along with selecting your salesperson and home type information. Then click the next arrow to save the quote to your AC Quoter customer cloud and begin the system selection build. Next, you'll have the opportunity to build up to 4 systems for your customer, giving you the opportunity to increase your sales and margins by offering a good, better, best, plus type option. I'll quickly build the first systems, and then we'll go on over to the install add-on items. So York, AC, a 3-ton, 14 SEER, and I'm just going to move through this really quickly just to show you what the system can do. Now say you do have the HRI number and you want to go to it quickly, you'll be able to come over here, run down here and select, or you could just simply type it in. In this case, we'll just choose that middle one that was already displayed, and we see that we went directly to our single option. Go on to the next system, click a random one. Now, we can go back to the first system if we notice that we wanted to change it up. So if we wanted to, we could change it up from the 473 to the 472 option. And you notice that the price did change up there. I'll demonstrate that for you again. So now we can go on over to our install add-on items. This is where you'll add on the items such as permits, remove an EPA dispose, add new line set, include a condenser cover. Once you are satisfied with your system selection and your system add-on items, then you'll move over to the customer pricing page. Next on the customer pricing page, you'll be able to easily see and confirm or adjust pricing on add-on items. Let's say the line set run is extra long and we'll need 25 more feet. So we're going to charge an extra $250 for that. We come over and over here, we'll type in 750. We said the color has changed to let us know that we've changed the price. We want to put it back, we just simply type in 500 and we're back to green. We also have above the system's pricing, as well as the system equipment that's been matched up. Now, let's say that your customer has a neighbor who just got the same system last week, but for about $300 less. So we want to make sure that the customer's happy, so let's just try 5%, and we're right on the money. Or at least we're pretty close in there. If you wanted to adjust any of this other pricing to get it down to 300 exactly, you could. Now, again, all of your pricing is right here on this page, ready for you to easily review before presenting anything to your customer. And then once more, all of these are customizable, so we can adjust this for whatever your business needs are. Next, the proposal will display the customer's information, systems you've built, including any add-on items, pricing, finances, as well as the customer's selections for the equipment and their financing options. This is all done in a clean, professional format that's easy to read and understand by your customer. The proposal can then be emailed to your customer for their review if needed. Your customer's final choice of system and financing options are clearly marked, avoiding any confusion on the customer's end. When the customer decides on the system they want, the salesperson will then go to the work order page and enter job-specific information such as unit location, wire gauges, and return size. The work order will already have the customer's information, chosen system, along with the HRI certificate link. We can also load any comment forms that you may use on jobs, automating the entering of your customer's information. No more searching through multiple files and folders, either in your office or on the road. Everything that you would use and have for the job is just a click away with AC Quoter. Something else that will make your job easier is that since this is saved on your AC Quarter customer cloud, you can retrieve the information at any time as a subscriber. Along with holding saved quotes, your sales team can upload job photos to your customer cloud to help your install teams to better prep, making your customers' install experience much smoother. More importantly, if the salesperson in the field is needing additional support in getting the agreeable price, the sales manager, whether in the office or on the road, can then go into the proposal to further adjust pricing if needed. This is just a brief overview of what AC Quarter can do for you and your company. We would love to show you more. Please click on the link below or go to acquarter.com to request your free demo. Thank you.